What, for example, if I have some customizations, how do the customizations come into our process flow? So actually, this is a case where I have customization for a retail, and I see that these retail procedures are there, and I don't know how it came. So actually, on generate, when I have a customize manage dimension, manage cubes, and I create customization with BF for Dynamics Wizard, then in that case, on generate, the special trigger is executed, and what it does is it looks into instance. So for example, it looks into the instance, and everything that is in the folder 3, the stored procedure that are in the folder 3 are added into a dim load object group. Okay, and everything that is in the folder 4, like this here, that is folder and subfolder and so on, this is then added to process flow package or process flow object group fact load. Like in most cases, this is what we want, so that is fine. But in some cases, and the name of the object subgroup comes automatically as the name of the last folder. That's a trick. For example, I have a help table, help stored procedure that loads received values before it is appended to the sales transaction basket. So how come that this is coming with the name of a subgroup retail sales transaction? And I have not done any renaming because actually I could put somewhere a rename. Let's just show you. I just copy it first. Okay, I put one. So I didn't do that. Because I could put a new name here. It comes, if I reset, everything is coming back again. So that is fine. I'm just losing the last execution time operation information. So the question is, how do I know, how can I make this retail sales transaction name? Because it comes then as a flow, or as a flow for 1, 2, 3 stored procedure that will be executed in retail sales transaction. Now the trick is very simple. It picks up the latest folder name. So I put a manual execution script, and the name you see is retail sales transaction, and then I have this load procedure, and that's why this name is coming for the last folder. So with the structures of the folder, actually I'm putting the stored procedure into the right object subgroup, which is nicely working, let's say. And each time if I would do some changes, I just have to do a reset, and the stored procedure would be ordered correct. But if I would like to move it to another object group, then this is fine. It's going to work too. But the point is that I want to execute as many stored procedures into packages or sub packages as possible at once in parallel. If I put it into too many, then actually I'm executing all procedures in one by one, which means I'm not processing fast.